Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you another one of our Belizean favorites with evaporated milk. Okay, so for this you're going to need 1 can of fruit cocktail, and I'm just going to put this in a container that I can put in the fridge. As promised, I'm going to share my last video using evaporated milk. I already made 2 videos, 2 of our Belizean favorites with evaporated milk. If you're interested in those, I'm going to leave them linked below for you. Okay, so now I'm going to pour some of the evaporated milk in the fruit cocktail, and I'm using about half the can in this amount. But there is no right or wrong way to do this. You can't really mess it up, so you can put as much or as little as you want. Just give that a mix and then cover it and put it in the refrigerator to chill. I like to put mine in the refrigerator overnight and let it chill. Something about that overnight chill just makes it so much better the next day. But if you're in a hurry and you want your fruit cocktail, then you can just put some ice in it. It will still be good. Okay, so this is it the next day, and I'm just going to put some in my glass and enjoy. This is another one that my hubby said he didn't know anything about. Remember the last 2 videos I made? He said he never had evaporated milk in that way, and with this one, neither, so this is all new to him. This is especially good on those really hot days, and oh my goodness, it is hot here in Texas. No joke, the other day it said it felt like 103 degrees Fahrenheit outside. You know how hot that is? I was about to melt. Oh my gosh. If you've had this before, let me know in the comments below. Or if you haven't had it, how do you make your fruit cocktail? I'm curious. Well, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps to get my videos out there. I just wanted to give it a quick little taste to make sure it's all good. This is so refreshing. Oh my goodness. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.